Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleona. Doing good? Alright, I sure hope so. So today on my channel guys, I'm going to be making some Jamaican ginger bulla. Yeah man, you know that good old bulla they eat to the avocado, your pear, you know, I even put some butter upon that. Tastes good same way. That's what I'll be making in my kitchen today guys. So these are my ingredients I'll be using. I have some unsalted butter, I have some whole milk, molasses, baking powder, baking soda, and this is 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, don't get it wrong, more baking powder, less baking soda. I have a cup here of brown sugar, I have cinnamon here, ginger powder, I have some honey here, I have some mixed spice, this is my ginger powder, I have some fresh grated ginger as well, my nutmeg there, and I have vanilla and some almond essence. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead. My flour, I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour today. Okay, we're not looking for it to be light in here really, just sometimes you know some lumps are in the flour, so I'm sipping it for this reason. Okay, it's not like I'm baking a cake because this is very dense. Alright, so I'm just gonna add my dry ingredients here, my baking powder and my baking soda in. And I didn't tell you about salt. Okay, just 1/4 teaspoon. You gotta be careful with salt, you know. My nutmeg in. I'm gonna measure out my cinnamon here. This is 1 teaspoon, and I'm using 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. All right. My ginger powder here. I'm using 1 hand, guys. So it's kind of 1 teaspoon of ginger. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of mixed spice as well. So those are my dry ingredients. All right. Combine everything in. And I'm also gonna add my butter in. And this is 3 tablespoons, not teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, it's a bigger one. Okay, I'm just going to use my spatula and try to blend it in as much as I can to get a kind of crumble texture. You can go right ahead and use your hand. 1, 2. I'm using a spatula today only because I'm wearing nails really, so. But your best tool in your kitchen, believe me, is your hands. Okay guys, this is as crumble as I get it. Okay, hope you're seeing. I'm going to be working on my wet ingredients. My sugar. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. And I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of almond essence, just 1/2. This is my molasses. I'm going to be using 1.5 teaspoons of molasses. All right. I'm going to add my ginger in, my grated ginger. also going in my whole milk. I'm going to be making a hole in the center here, and I'm going to gradually pour it in. So this is 1/4 cup of whole milk that I'm using. I might not use the whole mixture. And I'm looking for a soft dough, guys, but manageable dough, okay? Hole in the middle. See that, guys? So the color. The molasses and the sugar, what gives it that color. So guys, I'm going to turn it out on my board here, but first I'm going to dust with some extra flour here. It's a little sticky. You want it to be sticky, but you want it to be manageable as well. So I'm definitely gonna have to use my hands now, so I put the gloves on. Because like I said, I'm wearing nails, so I know a lot of people are like, oh, you wear nails and you're baking dough. Yes, you can, but you wash your hands properly, so you can do it with your nails. And guys, I'm gonna bake this for about 25 minutes on 350. See guys, it's still soft, right? See? Just want it to be manageable. I don't know how much this will heal. Maybe I'll get about 5 off. Thereabouts. Remember guys to like this video. Give my video a thumbs up please. When you do that, it surely helps my channel to grow. Okay? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And you can comment too, you know, as long as you're not being disrespectful. So I'm just gonna let this rest for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna cover it with a damp paper towel. And I'm just gonna cover this for about 15 minutes and clean my hair up, and I'll see you in a little bit, alright? This sheet here. Hi guys, welcome back. Now I'm gonna roll my dough, and I'm gonna roll it, guys, at about a inch, half inch to a inch. I'm going to be using my bowl here, guys, because I don't have a biscuit cutter. If you have, you go right ahead and use it. All right. Sometimes stick in the dough, so you just kind of flour the edge. You don't have to do that. See that, guys? Nice, perfect little round. I hope you're seeing it. This can take another rolling again because it's so dense. Won't have it. See? Smells so good already. So I'm gonna bake these guys 25 minutes at 350 degree, right? So I'll see you back soon. Hey there, guys. Here they are, guys, all done. Just put them out the oven. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna brush some melted butter on it, and it's best to do this when it's hot, guys, so the butter can absorb in it. I'm telling you guys, my kitchen smells so yummy. I'm just just gonna let these cool, guys, before I break into one to show you what the inside looks like, because I don't know yet and you don't know. Okay, all done, guys. Just putting in some melted butter. So guys, I'm going to break into my bulla. See that, guys? Tell me this is not bulla. See that? Guys, this tastes very nice. Not because I did it, but it tastes very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Be blessed.